So now we're going to go over how to do a single leg balance. Very straightforward here. We're going to start on one leg, which is going to be our standing leg. Our other leg is going to be our non-working leg. So we're always going to start with our position. I want you to, we're always going to start with our foundation. So you're going to have all the corners of your feet digging into the ground. You're going to shift your weight slightly over onto your working leg, and you're going to squeeze your butt a little bit and think a light brace of your core. Then once you're nice and comfy on this standing leg, then you're going to begin to pick up the foot on your non-working leg. Now, the point here isn't to stand on one leg. It's to get to the point where the balance of your standing leg is challenged. So that might mean you just lift these toes up, and that might be enough. You might be, your ankle's walking around all crazy, you're having trouble holding your balance. That's awesome. Stay there. If you need more, go ahead and pick your toes up even more. Maybe you just have the littlest amount giving you some help, or maybe you pick it up all the way. It doesn't matter. You're going to get way more out of coming to a point of balance where you are challenging this leg more so than falling out of it. I would much rather see you give yourself some assistance and not fall than have you falling out of balance constantly. You'll also get way more out of it, and all the stuff on this standing leg that balances you is actually going to get a chance to adapt. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So foundation first, shift your weight over, grab the ground with all the corners of your feet, squeeze the butt of your standing leg, start to pick up the toes on the other side until you feel your balance being challenged. That might be when that toe's on the ground, it might be when it's up. Doesn't matter. You're just going to find a place where you feel your balance working. Your ankle's going to be walking around. That's how you actually balance. When I'm doing all kinds of crazy balance stuff, my ankle's walking around like crazy. Balance is your ability to compensate for it. So give yourself as much help as you need so that you feel challenged here, but not so much that you're constantly falling over. If you have any questions, run into any issues, always ask. See you soon.